awesome.
Brownie face? Happy face. I'm looking like Predator. Or maybe Daffy Duck. You know, ducks are always sad. They're always looking at a bill. I feel sorry for Mrs. Clinton too. All right, here we go. Before I lift up this heavy chainsaw with these hooks in my face, I need to work up my embouchure. I know, trumpet.
Oh my god.
Oh, thanks, man.
It's over here now.
Oh. The comedy of errors. Here we go. Haha, yes. With hooks in my face. Oh, hey, can I have the mask back? Thanks, I'll need it later in the show. Thanks. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I get it. You want to see the chainsaw running, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do a wheel tail routine to beat all. Instead of placing the apple on top of the head, no, let's you all here, place it right side of the mouth. Instead of a bow and arrow, I'm going to use this chainsaw. Yeah. Oh, yeah, just like back and chainsaw, do it. Like American Psycho, when you take the cheese out, that's all over the woods. If anything, you look down, I think I want to put my mama out, I'm going to burn up this gate, I'll do something like this. You want to see that or what? Oh, mildly interesting, I like that. You got something in your hair. I'll never mind something else.
Captain Binky.
You know, like chickens out a little bit scary. I think I'm gonna have to wear a blindfold.
Oh my god.
Oh, you want to see it? All right, apple genie. I think you're a banana genie. I didn't know I could do it until I saw the video. Yes, all right.
Can he trust himself?
Oh, okay. So he's on the chainsaw routine.